Hey, good afternoon, Mower Medic 1. Today I'm going to be modifying some Stens wheels, part number 205-298. What the deal is, what I'm putting this on is a chalking machine, and when I put the wheels on, the axles stick out too far. So I've actually got it chucked up in my lathe here, and basically I'm just going to face this off flat to make it look like this one. Hopefully that will give me enough clearance to put my axle retainer on, or the wheel retainer. Let me make a couple of passes here and we'll see how it turns out. The reason I am replacing the wheels on this this chalking machine is because the operator ran over it with this John Deere Gator and broke the front wheels off of it. So we were able to find these aftermarket Stens wheels that would work, but like I said, I had to face this off because it protruded out here too far to where I could not put the axle keeper on. So let's get those knocked on and see how it turns out. Where there is a will, there is a way. And if you know what to look for, you can get stuff done. If you have any questions about how to modify Stens lawnmower wheels to fit a Alumagoal chalker, let me know. Mower Medic 1. Have a great day.